had like it was like earth science in middle school, and you had to like present, but you had to be like a PowerPoint or a poster or something. Like it had to be 2 different like presentations at once. So it had to be a lot of stuff, and everyone was gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna do a PowerPoint. I'm gonna do a PowerPoint and a poster, and like, oh, we'll demonstrate stuff. So me, I got paired with the only black kid in the class. It was this black girl, and she was new, and I was totally like befriending her. She wore the like big Godot clothes and the big like hoop ear, the big gold hoop earrings, and I was like, we should totally do a rap. That's what we should do. We should make a rap to like present this fucking science thing. So we go in and like everything's normal, but I asked 2 people in the crowd as soon as I got up there to start going like. So all of a sudden they start doing that, and they put their hats on backwards, and me and my partner go up and we're just like, yo, smoking is an action. It gives you satisfaction, but there's a bad part, cause it really hurts your heart and your lungs, your brains, your gums, your tongue. You may think it makes you cool, but smoking not the answer. Hey, guess what? What? It gives you cancer. Smoking's an addiction, mentally and physically. Hey, do you smoke? Psh, you think I'm crazy? It's plain, it's clear. Just don't smoke, and if you do, you're just a joke. Done.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Isn't that funny?
Oh my
Who the
god.
fuck do I think I am? I can't do that. That was bad.
Oh my god.
Cannot believe I got up and everyone was just like, oh, what just happened? It was epic. It was pretty funny.
Oh, it's pretty cool.